it's Kirsten from WTI. I'm sharing my secret to healthy hair, skin, and nails. It's Sandhu's Collagen Peptide Powder. So many people recognize the importance of adding collagen to your diet. I've been trying to add it to my diet for a long time now, and this is by far the easiest, most effective way I've been able to do so. In the past, I would make bone broth, and it was a lot of preparation. This is so easy. No matter what your morning routine is, you can incorporate this into your diet, no problem. So first of all, the powder is tasteless and odorless, which is a huge plus because you can add it to virtually any drink or any food that you make every day. So I've been testing this for about 3 weeks, and I really love the fact that it's so versatile. I can add this into my coffee or my tea. I usually add 1 scoopful to my mug, and then I do a quick stir, and I love the frothy feel it gives my beverage. And like I said, it's completely tasteless, so it doesn't alter the taste of my beverage at all. I've also been using it in my morning smoothie. So in my blender, I'll add all my fruits and vegetables and water and about 2 scoopfuls of this collagen powder. And then with a quick blend, I love how there's no clumps, there's no grit. It just tastes so smooth as if I hadn't added anything at all to my smoothie. So I love the fact that it doesn't alter the taste to all your beverages, but you're getting those key nutritional benefits from collagen. I just love that it has type 1 and type 3 collagen peptides. So it's gonna help you down to your bones, your connective tissues, your joints, and as well as obviously your physical features of your hair, skin, and nails. I've noticed that my hair has grown so much faster and my nails seem so much stronger since using this collagen peptide powder. I love it. I know you're gonna love it as well, but that's just my point of view.